What date did we meet?
What date? I don't know. I lose.
It was a Thursday, and it was August the 23rd. Check it.
I will check it. Trust me, I will check it. What date did you say? August the what? August the what?
I don't remember.
Ooh, are you ready for this?
No. Right, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. What are we doing today?
I don't know. Today we're gonna try something new again, and we got the hot wing challenge. Got 12 each.
12 each, yeah.
As you can see, it's got pepper sauce on it.
Spicy hot wings challenge, they call it, innit? I'm not looking forward to it. I don't do spicy food, so what?
Neither do I, but you know, from now and then, do a little bit of spice. But why not challenge her and see if she's capable of eating the hot food?
I don't think I'm gonna do very well. But what we're gonna do, what we've decided to do it to make it a little bit different, is to ask questions. So while you're eating, I'm gonna just throw some questions at you, and you have to answer it. What should be your forfeit if you get the question wrong? I'll give you one of my wings.
No, don't go. No.
I'll give you one of my wings.
Nah, don't go with that.
That's what we're gonna do. If you cannot answer the question,
we did agree to that.
Yeah, but we're going to do it now.
Where?
If you cannot answer my question, same with if I get it wrong, you have to give me a wing. Yeah?
But you know who's gonna get the wings? Me.
But why are you gonna get them wrong?
Because I don't know what questions they're gonna throw at me.
Yes. I don't know what you're gonna ask me.
I don't even know what I'm going to ask you myself. So,
but yes, that's what we're gonna do. Make it a little bit different. Just ask questions. You just think I don't have questions, just think of questions in it. If you want to eat less, you better ask some questions. That's what I got to say.
I eat fast and finish it before you could give me anything.
No.
That's what I'm gonna do.
But yeah, so are we gonna time it? No? Just eat.
We just eat.
Just eat. Alright, I need to brace myself. Ooh. Alright, let's go.
Where? First one. Might as well go.
Wait for me. Wait. Alright.
Wait for long. Boy.
Food challenge. Can't resist. But the spice. Do you know what? It's actually not too bad. Is it bad?
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
It's not bad.
Yet.
It's kicking in now though. Oh gosh, it touches out of my lip. Alright. You ready?
Go on.
Alright, my first question is,
Listen.
how old was I when I first came to this country?
Jesus Christ.
My lip is burning.
10?
Yeah.
If you ask me the same question, I'll ask you the same question. Let's see.
Oh my god. Woo. Gosh.
Shall I put it in a plate for you? You look for the hot
How
one.
you know I don't know?
I don't
No,
know.
you better get all that sauce at the bottom because most of it's gone to the bottom.
Let it stay there.
Alright, you were.
Let me get your own ready for you.
No! Don't do that! Oh my
You
god.
tell me to get the paper at the bottom. I'm getting it for you.
Oh, my lip. Oh, you're eating it. Good.
Get your one ready.
15?
It's your hot wing, my love.
How old were you?
14.
Oh my god. You couldn't just feel sorry for me? Was it this one?
Yeah.
Why is it so wet? Why has it got so much pepper on it?
Your question now to me.
My turn again?
Yeah. Redeem yourself.
Alright. What was my first car?
Your first car. What's the name of it?
Oh yeah, that one's getting right back in your plate.
What was the car again?
Getting right back in your plate.
It was not a Ford Focus. What was it again, Moses?
You tell me, babe. The nose is started now.
Was it a Magan?
No? Listen, you better take back this thing. Let me get some of my sauce in there. Scoop it all up.
What was the first car then?
I don't even lick my fingers.
Joker.
It's got too much on it. My first car was a Hyundai. Remember?
I knew it was one of those cars there, but I couldn't remember exactly
Oh my god.
what one it was.
This is that. The wing is so good, but the pepper is killing me.
So okay, what's the first TV series show that we watched together? Hello? English?
Alright, what was the question again?
What was the first TV series that we watched together?
Prison Break.
Okay. Lucky. Lucky.
Alright. When we first met, what hairstyle did I have?
You had your hair dropping on the side.
What does that mean?
It wasn't in a ponytail, basically.
It wasn't.
Your hair was straightened down.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought I had braids.
You didn't? No. No, mate.
I think that question's void.
Why? You didn't have braids when I met you.
I did.
You put braids afterwards. No. You didn't. So is that your chicken? I forgive your chicken.
No, that question's void.
No, how?
Because you're supposed to get the answer that I have, that I'm thinking of.
No. No. You don't even remember. You didn't have braids. You put braids afterwards.
Oh God.
So I need to give you your chicken wing back. What hairstyle did I have when I met you?
You had your.
Oh boy.
I remember.
You have to match my one, yeah?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
You had your hair like out, not in a kangaroo, but it was ketchup in a bun.
Lucky.
Alright. I need to burp, but it's not coming out. Woo! Right. You're going too fast.
Oh.
You got about what? 3 left? Look. Look at my plate. My plate's so full.
It's just the crying. Go on, your question now.
Are you dipping it in the sauce, yeah?
Thanks, man.
Oh, God.
Yum.
Yeah, I'm struggling. My lips, my tongue.
Just don't think about it. Just okay, you could feel anything. You don't have any questions? Oh, the pepper is too hot for you.
Can't think straight. Babe,
What?
pick up that bone and clean that bone.
You're telling me clean bone. Look at your bones then.
My bone don't have nothing. You're
Well,
cheating.
I don't want to see nothing on your bones, you know.
Look, that's mine.
What about them ones there?
There's nothing there.
That.
They're black, man.
Alright. But you want to pick me up. What was my first car?
A Fiesta.
Remember it well though.
What color was my car?
What color was your car?
My first car.
Black. What color was it?
Blue. What was the second car that I had?
The second car that you had. I told you already what it was. Focus.
No.
What car did you have second? Tell me. The old shape Ford
I can't
Focus.
remember what it's called.
The old shape Ford Focus. Not the new shape, the old one.
I can't remember what it's called.
You can't remember what it's called? It's called a Ford Focus.
Okay. No! No! Stop cheating.
How?
I didn't get it wrong. That's my question. How are you telling me my question's wrong?
Well, I answered the question.
So you keep your wing. You don't give me a wing then. Listen, people, talk to him. Tell me if I was supposed to take that wing, please.
Yes, you're supposed to take it because I answered the question and I was correct. So I'll give you a wing.
No, but we never said if the question, if you're correct.
Oh, okay, no problem.
We only said if it's wrong.
When we first met, yeah? What top was I wearing?
You're cheating now. You can't say top. You were wearing a basketball jersey. Red.
No. I was wearing a vest and shorts.
No, it was basketball.
Basketball shorts with a vest. Black vest.
Oh, you cheated.
How?
Basketball vest.
No.
Vest.
No. Basketball shorts. And vest. It's not basketball vest. It was just a normal vest. String, like, not even strings. It was like just those black vests.
See you.
Let me see me. You want to go back there and ask me questions?
Yeah.
What will you let me know?
We got one left.
No.
I got 5.
Come on.
You gonna help me?
No! Once I start drinking the water, I'm done.
I'm reaching in one. You know the ones at the bottom where it's in the sauce. Oh my lord.
That's the ones you should have started with.
Oh. Alright, let's keep going. Keep going, sugar.
No more question for you? You done?
Alright.
Got one more question. I'll give you one more question.
Oh, you're not asking a question?
No, when you ask me, it's your turn.
Alright.
Boy, it's hot.
Yes. When your nose is running, that's how you know. What date did we meet?
What date? I don't know. I lose.
You lose, so you better take this win
No,
now.
no. You can't ask a question that you don't know the answer to.
How you know I don't know the answer?
Tell me then. Because you're going to try and say the Don't even go there.
No, I know.
Alright, so what's the date?
Hold on. Wipe my hand.
I want date, month, and year.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll pull out my phone and I'll find out.
No problem. Coming up.
Mm-hmm. I'm still waiting. See, people, she just wants to catch me out.
We met on a Thursday. I remember that because the next day was a Friday and I wasn't working the weekend, so I had time to chill with you. So
That's a day. What's the date?
all I know.
Okay.
What are you rushing me for?
Because I'm ready to feast to devour my last wing and what you eat your other four. See, she's taking long.
My tongue is burning.
Just talk.
Alright, yeah, it was a Thursday and it was August the 23rd. Check it.
I will check it. Trust me, I will check it.
You don't believe me?
It's either trust or check. I'm checking.
So you don't trust.
Checking.
You don't trust.
I trust, but I'm checking. Yeah. I'll have to go back.
Babe, you should be trusting me. You know that.
What year? What year did you say?
You should be trusting me.
What date did you say? August the what? August the what?
I don't remember.
See, I remember. I know exactly what date you said, but I wanted to hear you again. What date you told me?
I don't remember.
You said August the 23rd.
Did I?
Yes. August the 23rd, 2013.
No. Was it 2013?
2012. Okay. What's the first day? But you got it wrong because you didn't remember what day you told
On the birthday? Oh my god! No
You didn't-
way! Let me see. No way!
It's a first day.
Oh
But
my
you're wrong.
god!
She's wrong. She didn't remember the date until I remind her what it was.
No, but no, babe. I remembered it first, and it just slipped out of my head.
It slipped out of your head.
You didn't even know it anyway, so you should.
No. I didn't know it. You didn't know it.
I did. Because
No. You just gave me a date.
you're a cheater.
You just made up a date.
You are a cheater.
Alright.
You are a cheater.
Alright, when we first met, yeah.
Listen, I'm not even playing with you no more.
Why not?
I'm a cheater.
No, Moses, listen. You didn't know the date. You told me a date. When I asked you again, just to see if you remembered, you couldn't tell me what
So you
the
tried
date
to
was.
trick me after you.
I didn't try to trick you. I trick you. Hear that, people? She said I tried. Tell me now, did I not succeed?
You
She
made me
couldn't
chat
remember-
and chat and chat, and then I forgot my own answer. It's terrible.
I could have told her any date and she would have said yes. But I remember the date that she told me.
So to confuse my brain.
I'm trying to help you.
Alright, I'm done. No, never again.
That was not bad. Still go, you know, people. Still go.
So I had 11. I had 13.
You
So
couldn't even count, you see? The pepper is so hot, you can't even count.
you had less than me. Not fair. You're
could
supposed,
still
you're
go,
supposed to
man.
take one for the team.
There's no I in team, you know?
Exactly. So you eating it all, eating less than
Sharing
me.
is caring, you know.
Mm-mm.
Yes, people, that was good.
Mm-mm.
So let us know who wins. You want some more water? Hey.
Well, you can't say who won. So how are they going to judge that?
Is who's struggling?
Alright, let us know who cheated. That's the question we should ask. Who cheated the most?
And remember, yeah, be fair. Don't feel sorry for her.
They don't need to feel sorry for me. They see it with their own eyes.
How?
You cheated.
I cheated.
Oh God.
Your mouth still burning?
My mouth, my lips, my everything. My gum, all you know that all up inside your mouth.
You let it go all up in there?
What do you mean? Is the wig's not in your mouth?
Yeah, it's in your mouth, boy. You don't chew so much where it goes all up in your gums. Like me, I was just chewing and swallow, cut and swallow. Like why you gonna chew like for it to go all up in your mouth? No, man. That's when it burns the most.
Oh God.
Help her.
Help me.
She's even crying. Are you crying?
No.
Yeah, you want to taste so you come here. You want a piece of tissue? Sorry, I don't mean to be laughing, you know.
But you are.
It's just funny.
But yeah. Anyways, guys, I need to go get myself some milk. Cool down my tongue.
And I'm gonna keep laughing.
We'll see you guys on the next video.
Yep. And stay tuned.